Hi everyone, I want to quickly show you how to install SSH Server on Windows 11 or 10. The purpose of this is so that you can access the PC from other PCs in the same network or even on the internet. However, I won't cover the internet access in this video. There's a couple of router and firewall settings you need to do for that, and typically it is risky to open up such access. Okay, so you can install this via Windows settings too, but using PowerShell will be more straightforward. Just find PowerShell in the Start menu and click Run as Administrator. And then paste this command to PowerShell and press Enter. It needs some time to install it, just wait until the loading is done. Once done, you can set the service to automatically start when Windows start up, but this is optional. Do the following command in the PowerShell if you want to do so. Next, you will start the SSH service when you need it. You can go to Task Manager by right-clicking on the taskbar and choose Task Manager. On the Services tab, find SSHD and right-click on it and click Start to start the service. To try the SSH access, open Terminal or Command Prompt from the Start menu. You need to find out the username of your Windows PC by typing whoami. Even if you log in with a Microsoft account, you won't have your email as your username, but it's usually the first 5 characters of your email. Once you find the username, remember that, and also remember your Microsoft user's password. You cannot use the Windows Hello pin for logging in to SSH, but you need to use your Microsoft password. Then follow the command, which is SSH username at IP address. If you just want to try locally, the IP address will be localhost or 127.0.0.1. Next, if you access it from another computer in the same network, find the IP address of this computer by typing ipconfig and look for the IPv4 address. You also need to make sure that both PCs are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. And, very important, on the PC that you want to access through SSH, the Wi-Fi network has to be set as private network. This allows other devices in your, presumably, home network to access the PC remotely. I strongly not recommend setting your Wi-Fi network to private when you are on public Wi-Fi. From another computer, do the same command but just change the IP address. Once you are in SSH, you can do any Windows CMD command to the remote computer. That's all. Thank you for watching. Subscribe.